नमस्कार दोस्तों, this is Sourabh from Mac to iPhone. Camera Raw is a very powerful plugin to edit photos in Photoshop. But if you see it is not opening or get this pop-up error, then here is the video for you. First close all Adobe application and go to this link to download Camera Raw plugins. I will give the quick link in video description. When download, then double click to open and install and follow on-screen instruction to install these plugins. And now restart Photoshop. That's work for me. If the problem persists, then need to reinstall Adobe Photoshop also. If it helps, please like and subscribe. It does not cost you, but it is very much valuable to me. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.